With its beautiful name, eye-catching height, and show-stopping floral displays, Joe Pye Weed is sure to make that late summer splash in your garden. Being a Joe myself, I might be a little bit biased toward this plant, but in my opinion, no perennial garden would be complete without a little Joe Pye Weed. So what I specifically love about Joe Pye Weed is that it's a mid to late summer bloomer. Where I like to plant it in the garden is perhaps behind some other spring or summer flowering shrubs and perennials, and just kind of let it do its thing. You almost forget about it a little bit until the mid to late summer when these softball to almost basketball sized blooms start blooming in the back of your garden. Gives you a great vertical element to add to any perennial garden. So with these amazing huge flowers, extremely long bloom time, this makes Joe Pye Weed one of my favorite perennials to use in the garden. And in my experience, this plant is still very fear resistant.
This awesome native plant blooms from about midsummer all the way till frost and comes with shades of pinks and purples. Since Joe Pye Weed blooms later in the year, this is a great source of pollen for our late flying bees. And it's a great interest in your garden, especially if you're looking for a tall element. This plant can get anywhere from about 4 feet tall all the way to 9 feet tall. We have 2 different species called spotted Joe Pye Weed and sweet-scented Joe Pye Weed. These 2 varieties can do well in average soils to wet soils and can handle part sun to full sun. However, the more sun and moisture you give it, the taller it gets. Fun fact about Joe Pye Weed is that it used to be known as eupatorium. Now, it's known as eutrochium.
Long ago, the blooms of the Joe Pye Weed were used to treat inflammation, arthritis, fever, and even kidney ailments. It was almost like nature's Advil. In fact, it gets its name because a long time ago in Stockbridge, Massachusetts, a Mohican named Joe Pye used this plant to treat the settlers at that colony. There's a lot of different versions of the story, and it's under some hot debate, but it's an interesting tale for a unique flower.
Joe Pye Weed has a very fibrous root system that helps to retain soil during floods. And during the wintertime, you can leave the stalks up in your garden, and it helps provide a little bit of interest in the garden, as well as providing a habitat for insects to overwinter.
Joe Pye Weed is such an amazing perennial with bountiful blooms. Do your garden a favor and plant some today. Thanks again for joining us on yet another one of our perennial deep dives. If you're liking this video, please make sure you like it, leave us a comment down below, and let us know which plants you'd like us to cover next, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.